Hello friends, myself Dr. Mohanty Shenoy. I work as a consultant endocrinologist in GG Hospital Trivandrum. Today I would like to discuss with you a topic, bone health in PCOS. PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome is a common endocrine condition affecting women in the age group of reproductive age span. Treatment options in PCOS are plenty, and these are based on reducing the insulin resistance and reducing the androgen levels. The symptoms to which the doctor is presented to the doctor is also important. Recently, we have recognized an entity called lean PCOS, by which the body mass is normal or low, yet the lady has symptoms and signs suggestive of PCOS. So, regular menses is a very important aspect, and keeping the menstrual hygiene is also important. Morbid obesity can lead to reduced bone mineral density due to increased pro-inflammatory cytokines. This can lead to poor bone microarchitecture that can be vulnerable for the lady for developing fractures. Vitamin D levels are very important to be measured because vitamin D deficiency can be easily corrected, and calcium, vitamin D, phosphorus and magnesium are the parameters we generally do when the lady has complaint of fatigue and body pain. These can be non-specific because vitamin D levels can be replaced, yet these symptoms can remain. So, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can be the associated factor which can influence the bone health because of the release of the same inflammatory cytokines. Fatigue can also be due to stress, and these need to be addressed because psychosocial aspects are also a commonly encountered entity, often neglected in general practice. Another point to remember is that there is a stigma because there are instances of body shaming which is not to be done, and ladies with PCOS should in fact be encouraged to do moderate physical activity just like any other person we would advise. General dictum is that reduce the stress, discuss your issues with the doctor, a friendly neighborhood endocrinologist who can help you to come out with a solution to these problems. Overall, consider the bone health as an important aspect or priority in the general dictum in PCOS. So I encourage you to reply to us on endocrineawareness@gmail.com, and I look forward to discussing more issues in the future. Thank you everybody for the kind listening.